Hi everyone, myself Pruthi. Today I welcome you all for a new investment option about PPF. So firstly I would like to talk about what is PPF. PPF is a public provident fund which is offered by Government of India. So presently the interest rate is stood at 7.10. So is it stagnant? So the interest rate is not stagnant. So the interest rates will keep on changing every 3 months depending upon the government viewpoint. So the government can change depending upon the current scenario. So how to invest in PPF? So investing in PPF is very much easy. So as you can go in online or offline, it is very easy. In online, you can go to any bank's website portal. So you can see a PPF. If you not get, you can contact the bank in the offline method and you can go and open a PPF account over there. So what is the minimum investment amount you have to do in PPF? The minimum investment amount is 500 rupees per year. So maximum limit is 1.5 lakh per year. So let us assume if you have invested 500 this year in the first year, in the second year you are not invested, and third year you want to invest but it can't. So you have to pay fees of 50 rupees, that is a fine for second year which you are not investing. So you have to pay 550 rupees. 500 rupees will be deposited to PPF account and 50 rupees is the fine for to continue the PPF renewal. So this is all about how to invest. So how much you can get by investing in PPF? So assume you are starting an investment, your age is 30, so you want to invest till retirement. So if you want to invest till retirement, almost 30 years is the investment period. Every year you will going to invest 1.5 lakh. So at the end of 60 year, the total amount invested is 45 lakhs. So what is the amount you will be getting at the rate of interest of 7.10 by it compounding? So you will going to get 1 crore 42 lakh and so on. So this is the amount which you will be getting as the corpus amount for your retirement. So this you can see the amount is huge. So if you are investing from the day one in the PPF account and the first year itself till the retirement, your retirement is saved. So please invest in PPF. It is one of the safest investment instrument which is there in India, which is not risk free, because when it linked to market, so market has been crashing. There is need not to worry if you are invested in PPF account. See, despite of the economic activities, the companies are going down, the economic activity is not good. In that reason, in that kind of a condition also, this is going to give a same return of 7.10 is the stagnant return. So this is one of the thing is how much you can get when you invest in PPF at the end of the retirement time. So next part is taxation. So when it comes to taxation, the PPF is a triple E benefit. So triple E exempt benefit. So first exempt, when you are investing a money of a corpus 1.5 lakh, maximum up to 1.5 lakh is exempt. So that is the maximum limit you can invest in this. So when you are investing 1.5 lakh per year, that is exempt from, that is the tax free. And what is the return you are getting as a 7.10, the interest what you are earned, it is a return, that is also tax free. So when you are want to withdraw the entire corpus at the end of 15-year lock-in period or till the maturity, means what you will going to extend. If you want to extend from 15 years to 20 years and 25 years, you can extend by 5 years at the renewal time. So when you want to get a total amount of corpus at the end of the maturity also, it is tax free. So it is a triple E tax benefit you are going to get. You need not to pay a single penny as a tax to the government when you are investing in these schemes. This is one of the very best and safest instrument in the India which is offering a full triple E tax benefit, and you are going to get a full corpus without tax. This is one of the best method. So this is all about taxation. So is there any withdrawal option in this? So there is no withdrawal option in this. It is a 15 years lock-in period till the year from the starting. So but there is one condition that you can withdraw after 6-year completion. You're going to get a 50% corpus as a immediate fund. Other than this, there is no withdrawal option in this. So you can take a loan on this. So you can, how to take a loan on this? So you will be eligible to take a loan after the completion of second years. On the third year you can take a loan. So what is that amount you will want to get as a loan from this? So loan which you will be getting from this is almost 50% of the second year last outstanding amount. So next, what is the interest rates will be there? The interest rates is the current interest rates which is been given to the PPF plus 2%. Almost if you consider 7.10 plus 2%, it is a 9.10. That is the interest rate which is the loan which you are taking against the PPF. So if you are not paying, if you are defaulting to pay what you have taken the loan, so it will going to increase to 6% plus 6% into 7 plus 7.10. That is the total interest rate which you want to pay. So please don't take a, this is what we can tell. The final call about PPF is that PPF is one of the safest and secured investment plan for your retirement. So please invest in PPF so that you can grow your fund and as well as you can secure your retirements. So by this I will going to end my video telling that I will going to come up with a new investment plans. Please stay tuned and watch this channel for new investment plans. Thank you all. Bye bye.